Welcome back. This is Rajit TJ. Today we're going to discuss problem number 4 lap joint. Here is a problem statement. Determine the strength and efficiency of the lap joint shown in figure. The bolts are of 20 mm diameter and of grade 4.6. The two plates to be jointed are 10 mm and 12 mm thick plates. Steel is of grade Fe14 steel. Here this is the figure. So before that, here also we are calculating efficiency. In the last problem number 3, we discussed in detail how to calculate efficiency of the lap joint. So I will going to discuss here the major difference between the last problem and this problem. Here this is the figure they given. So we don't know exactly the length. This is all cross section. We don't know the force direction. We don't know the exact length of the plate, width of the plate, number of bolts in the joint. We don't know the actual picture about the joint, how much length and width of the joint will be. Therefore, here in this case we should calculate the efficiency of the joint per pitch length. What is per pitch length? So distance between two consecutive bolts. Assume this is the force direction. This is the force direction. Then these two are the bolts. This is the two bolts. This distance we call it as pitch, that is 100 mm. This will become B in case of calculation of tensile strength and other net area calculation. Here this is the given staggered pitch here. This length is from this pole to this pole is 50. Whereas again for two consecutive poles in the same line, we're going to get what? 100 mm. So this is the force direction parallel to the force direction. What is pitch? 100 mm. If it is staggered pitch, they given 50 mm. So here this is also cross section, cross section, cross section, cross section. We don't know the exact length of the joint. We should calculate per pitch length the efficiency. Here also we should calculate the design strength of the joint for shear, for bearing, for tensile strength, and also the solid plate strength. Here N is 2. What is N? Number of bolts falling in this pitch. Half bolt from here, half bolt from here, 1 bolt. Total 1, 1.5 and 2 bolts will falling in this pitch. So now I have taken E minimum as 1.7 times the diameter of the bolt, that is 37.4, so 38 mm for the calculation of KB value. So first thing is we should calculate design shear capacity of the single bolt according to 10.3.3. Since the bolts are in single shear, assume test fall in shear plane. In exam, what are the value you can assume? You can assume as shank portion also falls in shear plane. N equal to 1, N is equal to 0. If substitute all these things, we're going to get 45.26 kilonewton. So design strength of the joint, since there are 2 bolts falling in the pitch, this 45.26 into 2 we're going to get 90.52 kilonewton. The next thing is design bearing strength of the single bolt. In the VDP formula according to 10.3/4 of IS 18/2007, KB we should calculate. You are going to get 0.50 as the least value. VDP if you calculate, it comes to be 82 kilonewton. The design bearing strength of the joint per pitch length, it comes up to be 82 into number of bolts falling in the pitch, that is equal to 164 kilonewton. If you calculate net tensile strength here we should be careful here. This is the formula. What is AN? AN actually pitch minus N into DH or DO, that is diameter of bolt hole. Here what is N? N is actually 1. So if we take any line along the pitch along the force direction, we're going to get only one bolt hole. Therefore N equal to 1 and DH equal to diameter of the bolt hole, that is 22. We should take P becomes what? Per pitch length, that is this become 100 mm, that is B. B minus N into DH. N is 1, DH is 22. Least plate thickness we should take here, that is 10 mm. Remaining all are same. If you calculate tensile strength, it comes out to be 230.25 kilonewton. So now the strength of the joint per pitch length will be least of above 3: shear, bearing and tensile strength, that is 90.52 kilonewton. If you calculate fourth one, design strength of the solid plate, assume that there is no joint, there is no bolt holes per pitch. Again we should calculate per pitch length. So AN becomes what here in this formula? AN becomes what? 100 into 10 mm, that is B into T. Here B is nothing but P. You're going to get 295.2 kilonewton. Now efficiency of the joint will be the formula design strength of the joint by design strength of the solid plate. It comes out to be what? 30.66%. This is the efficiency of the joint or pitch length, since I am not given any details about the joint dimensions. Thank you.